Hi everyone, today we're doing 7 times 30 and we have Miss Tina here to help us today.
I'm going to write some things down, yeah. Okay, 7 times 30. How do you want to think about this?
Well, I'm going to ignore the 0 for now.
Okay.
So that's only 7 times 3 or 3 times 7.
So which one are you going to think about? 7 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 7?
3 groups of 7.
Okay, so 3 groups of 7 or 3 times 7. So it's going to be 7 plus 7 plus 7.
So I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14 first.
Okay, so 14. And then you're going to go 14 plus 7. So
Which
what's
is
14 plus 7?
21.
How do you know that so fast?
Well, I like to add 3 from here to the 7, so 10, and then we try to add 10 with 11 from here.
Oh, okay. Can we split the 7?
Yeah.
So if we want to split the 7 to add it to the 14, what would we get?
We would get
6 and 1?
6 and 1, yeah. I was about to say that.
So 14 plus 6 is 20, and then 21. All right. So this equals 21. 3 times 7 equals 21, but that's not what we originally had, was it?
But now watch this, Miss Tina. It's almost like magic. We only had to take that 0 from there and add it over to here. Over here.
Okay, so let's see. So let's just write this out. So you had 3 times 7 equals 21, and you're saying you can just multiply or add the 0 to one side, multiply it by 10,
And then
you
we'd only have to put the 0 there.
Perfect. So what's 3 times 70?
210.
Excellent. Great job.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Today we're doing 7 times 30, and Louie has a really good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you going to do here?
Well, can we go 30, 60?
Oh, sure.
Right.
So 7 groups of 30, so
Yeah.
we'll go 30 plus 30.
30 plus 30.
Quite a few
Plus
of them.
30.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Plus
5.
30. Plus 30. Plus 30.
Okay.
Now that's a lot.
I know, right? Okay, let's add these together then. So,
30 plus 30 is equal to 60.
yeah,
Now, 60 plus 30 is 90. And then 120.
Yeah.
Then 150. 180. And then 210.
Yeah, 180 plus 30 is 210. So 7 times 30?
7 times 30 is equal to 210.
210. Great job.
Thanks. Bye.